I'm Dan Thompson with Technifab Cryogenics, and today we're here to discuss valve repair kits. We offer a major kit and a minor kit. The major kit is used to replace manual valves, and it includes a total assembly. It includes the valve stem, the upper seal, everything you need. It's the simplest repair kit that we offer. This valve kit repair kit can be used on either our vacuum jacketed valves or our non-vacuum jacketed valves, whichever one you choose. The first thing you need to be aware of is that you have the proper repair kit. We offer two different versions, an oxygen version and an inert gas version. If you have an oxygen system, you need to make sure that you are using the LOX version of the repair kit. If you have an inert system, you can use either repair kit. Doesn't matter. What you also need to do is ensure that the system is drained and that there is no pressure on the pipe system. And those are two different things. You can have the system drained, but there still can be remnants of the gas, the liquid cryogen in there, that can be causing pressure to build. So whenever you do this, you want to make sure that you have an open tap and the pressure is relieved from the pipe system. You will need a crescent wrench. Once you locate the valve that you want to deal with, go up to this top nut and just loosen it up a little bit just to ensure that there is no pressure on the system as a secondary safety check. Once it is, you'll thread this off and pull the valve stem and set that off to the side. You need to make sure that there's a secondary seal that's associated with it. Make sure that that is out of the assembly. The next thing I like to do is take a flashlight and inspect the valve seat. Just ensure that the valve seat is in good working order. There's no scratches, no debris stuck on that valve seat. Now that you have this, again, if you're using an oxygen system, you want to make sure that you have your hands gloved and that you're not getting any debris or grease or oils on the unit. This will seed the liquid cryogen that you're using. Unbag the product. Again, make sure the upper seal is there. And there's also a key that's associated with and a keyed portion at the top. You want to make sure that these are be lined up in the valve. You can start this nut without this keyed properly, but it will not seat and you will have a leak in your system. At this point in time, slide your assembly. Well, actually, let me back up just a little bit. Make sure that when you do this, you want to have your valve in the open position. What you can do is you can bring this down to the tops of the nylon spacers. That'll ensure that the valve is in the open position. Loosen that up just a couple turns to allow the spacers to move just a little bit while you're inserting the valve stem. Once you have this, then you can start to insert the valve assembly. Slide in your valve. Again, make sure the seal is there. Make sure that you're keyed properly. Press this in place and start the nut and thread that down. Take your crescent wrench, lock this into place with a good snug. You're also going to want to check this upper valve stem here and make sure that it is snug to this stem. You don't want to over tighten it because it can make it difficult for you to open and close the valve. Once this is in place, go ahead and verify that the valve opens and closes, everything's in good working order, and then you can turn on your system. Like I said, it's one of the easiest valve replacements you'll ever do. You can always call us if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you. And as always, thank you for using Technifab products.